going to be a tutorial on how to add a new row to the page builder. This page has 2 rows of 3, and what we're going to do is going to add a new row to the 3 images of the 3 images. So we're logged into WordPress, and we'll see at the top that we can click on Page Builder to activate it. So we've done that, and it's going to load the Page Builder. So as we mouse over, we'll see that we have our panels ready to edit. But what we're going to do is we're going to add in a new row. So on the side here, you'll see, and if this is closed, you can just say Add Content. You're going to click on Rows, and we're going to select a 3-column row. And we're going to click on it and drag it and add it underneath that row that's there. And you can see that we have the dark blue, and it says 3 columns. And if you just let go, then it's going to create those 3 panels of content panels ready for you. Now, the easiest way to proceed is to duplicate one of the images above and drag it down into one of those panels. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to mouse over, and you'll see the 3rd icon at the top is a duplicate icon. So we duplicate that box, and we click on the upper right left-hand move icon, and we just drag it into that panel. Let go, and we have our first image and first panel ready to go. So what we want to do now is just update the content here. So if we click on the photograph, it activates the edit box, and we can click on the photograph here, use a little X to remove that, and we'll add a new one by clicking Add Media. And then we could just either get something from our media file or upload it from the desktop. This image is here, so we'll just grab it and insert that. But before we do, we just want to have the alignment to make sure that that alignment is set for center, and then insert it into the post. Then you can change the name and the caption material and also the email. And email is a link, and you'll see that it has that mail to at the email address, and that's how that link has to be created. So whenever you're doing an email link, that mail to colon precedes the email address. And then we would just click Save, but we're not going to save this, so we're going to cancel it. And then we're just going to click Done, and we can continue and do it for the other 3. You can just have 1 image and the other 2 blank. You could put 2 in, and if you wanted to add new rows, go ahead. It's best not to add a new row just by duplicating the image. What that'll do is in the responsive design, when the design is closed down, the order with which you see the images will not go from left to right and then down. In this case, it would go from here to here and then back up to Adam and then over to Daniel. So by creating a new row, we're also forcing the order in a responsive design to follow the logic of the page. So once you're done, we'll just click Done. We're going to discard these images. Okay, and that's it. I hope that helps. Any questions? Give me a call, Paul Halligan. You can email me at paul@halligandesign. Thanks. Bye.